Hello everybody, welcome to the channel again. Today I'm back on the non-electric bike again. So my electric bike, it actually wasn't the back wheels free hub, even though that needed doing. It was the free hub in the motor. So at the moment I'm just waiting for the online bike shop that I brought it through to get a response from High Bike for a warranty claim. So until then can't ride it and don't know when it's going to get sorted. So for the time being on here, just a quick 20 miler, absolute killer in this glorious super duper hot weather. You know, still super slow. Had a mess around as well with the headset on here, so it's a little bit better than it was the other week when I was whinging. Other than that, as always, there'll be a link in the description below to my commute map of the route. Enjoy. I will. It is just a quick local circular loop in the countryside that I've tried to make nice and easy, even though on this thing it's an absolute killer. The gearing's horrible, I hate it. The cheapo tyres that I've got on it are really sticky. Anyway, see you in a bit. Bye. Lovely views today, boys and girls. Lovely views.